Pop-Tarts for this protein-filled, open-faced PB&J toast. It's Wake Up Wednesday, where I show you how to use loaded potato breakfast recipes to make your mornings so easy and so delicious. This open-faced peanut butter and jelly toast on sourdough bread is only 42 cents and so delicious. Can't beat it. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rigged system to make delicious, quick meals using just what's in your pantry for about $1 or $2, and most recipes are ready in 5 to 10 minutes. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll be sure that you never have to worry about dinner or breakfast again. Today is one of the easiest recipes, PB&J toast. Can't go wrong. Always delicious, always easy. Hey guys, what are you doing here?
Well, Mom, I thought we'd take it from here, even though you've been doing a good job already.
All right, have at it.
Mom was doing such a great job, but we thought that we'd add a little bit more of pizzazz to it. So here we have peanut butter and jelly, sourdough toast. And we are going to make it. And it's usually not that hard. So firstly, we're gonna put it into the toaster. So let's do that. All right. Now we're gonna start it. So while it is toasting, I like to tell y'all a story, and it was during high school. Even though I'm already in high school, it's a good story. So my friend Zach, we were in class and he was throwing this jelly toy. It was like a piece of slime up and down over and over again. And then it got caught on the ceiling. And he was waiting for it to fall down and it never fell down. So he got on top of his chair and jumped to grasp the jelly toy. And guess what happened? The chair broke and he fell through the chair. And everybody started staring at my friend Zach, and then he had to get a new chair. Teardrop. So sourdough is amazing, but the way my mom does it is especially amazing. So you gotta make sure to check it out because it tastes amazing. And look, I said amazing twice. Look at that. Got sourdough bread. Ooh. All right, so we're gonna start by doing the peanut butter. So we're gonna set that right there. Let's move that loaf in front of that to the right. All right, great. Let's open this up, the Jif. I love me some good peanut butter. Now let's get the knife, which is on the right next to the lid. All right. Now let's put it into the peanut butter. This is gonna be the best peanut butter and jelly I've ever had in a long time. I remember at school, you have to eat these a lot, but they're so good. All right, we're smearing it up. Can you guys see this? I'm a good smearer, as you can see. All right, I think that's pretty decent. So we're gonna put, actually, let's put more on it. All right, we're gonna double dip it. You can never have too much peanut butter, never. I'm tempted to eat it right now, but I can't. All right, we are done with the peanut butter. Ta-da! All right, here is the bread. Looks very, very appetizing, doesn't it? All right, time for the jelly. Let's open the jelly. Let me smell it. I want to get a whiff of it. Oh, it smells so good. All right, let's put the spoon in. All right, let's pick up the bread. Making PB&J is so easy, and that's partly why I like it so much. It's like cereal, but better. All right. Can't wait to eat this, not gonna lie. Doesn't look like I'm not getting very much on it. Maybe I should turn it upside down and, you know, shake the stuff off of the tip of the spoon. That might work. Hey, I did it. All right. Let's go smear more to the left. And after I'm done, everybody, I will show it to you. I know you're waiting very intently for that. All right, we are done smearing. All right, let's put down the spoon. All right, audience, here is the peanut butter and jelly toast. I want another bite. Amazing, amazing. You guys gotta check this out. It's an easy recipe and pretty cheap. And the sourdough tastes amazing.
Okay.
Homemade sourdough bread. If you haven't checked out my mom's recipe, 15-minute sourdough bread, check out the video here. It's so easy and it's so dang delicious. Comment below if you made my mom's sourdough. It's too delicious. And be sure to follow for more amazing recipes using shelf-stable ingredients, and check out Loaded Potato to see all our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products. Save you time, money, and reduce dependence on your refrigerator. Till next time, bye!
We're using that to take. We're using.
I'm sorry. Take it out. That was really sweaty.
I made this delicious peanut butter and jelly toast to serve one, but check out the recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get the recipe to feed around 5 to 10 people and feed a whole big family. And check out the auto grocery calculator if you want to have this meal on hand, ready to go in the pantry, and it will calculate exactly the groceries that you need, or 20 people every night for 10 years. Pick your meals and we do all of the calculating. Even add your Walmart and Amazon fresh cart right now from our site, all free. Loadedpotato.org.